Okay, hi everyone, today we are looking at this question. Okay, now, what kind of question is this? Same thing, alright, whenever you solve a math question, you have to first break down the sentences. Do you understand what I'm saying? Alright, now let's take a look at this sentence. It says that at first, Aaron and Benny had 428 stamps altogether. So this is what I call my sentence number 1. Can you all see this? Alright, so what I want to do is, I actually want to write down that A plus B is equals to 428 stamps. Okay, so that is the first thing I can actually write down. Okay? Now, once I'm done with this, I can move on, and I realize that in sentence number 2, okay, after Aaron gave 68 stamps to Benny, over here you can see that there is an internal transfer. What do I mean by internal transfer? I meant that Aaron gave to Benny. The stamps are not given out. The stamps are what? Transferred between them. Am I making sense here? Okay, now, and then I continue reading, I realized that they had the same number of stamps. Now, what does the word same number tells you, especially if it is in the final sentence? It tells you that this is an equal stage ending question. Do you all agree with me? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So we know that this is equal stage ending. So we call it ESE, right? Now, whenever it is an equal stage ending, what is it that I have to do?
You have to
Uh-huh.
write the same amount. You have to write the
Okay, whenever it is equal stage ending, I always have to work backwards. Work backwards means to do the opposite. I repeat that again. To work backwards means to do the opposite. Am I making sense here? Okay, to work backwards means to do the opposite. So let's start with this, okay? I'm going to start reading from the back, okay? Which is the part that I have to start? I start reading from here. They had the same number of stamps. So A and B, they had the same number. So I'm going to make sure that my model bar will look the same. Okay? Alright, so this model bar is actually from here. Can you see it? Alright, now I'm going to go on to the second part. Second part, it says that after Aaron gave 68 stamps to Benny. Now, to work backwards means to do the opposite. So when I see gave, okay, who gave to who? Aaron gave to Benny, right? I am going to add back to Aaron. Why, Teacher Joseph? Because over here is minus 68. Agree so far?
Yeah.
But minus 68 for who? Minus 68 for Aaron. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 68 to Aaron. Am I making sense here? Because why, Teacher Joseph, you told me that working backwards means to do the opposite. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now, and then for Benny, I know Benny, okay, for Benny just now is actually plus 68, correct? So what am I going to do? I am going to do one thing, and that is, yes, thank you very much, that is to remove away 68. To remove away 68. So whenever I remove away, I have to cancel away. Mirror image, thank you, Pritika. So mirror image means if this is 68, then I can confidently say that this is also 68. Am I making sense here?
Yeah.
So you must remember all of these things, okay? Now finally, I'm done with this, I'm done with this. Now I'm going to go to this at first. What happened at first? Aaron and Benny had 428 stamps altogether. Can you see 428 over here? Right? So we know that these two is the same. So what we can say is that this is 1 unit and this is 1 unit, correct? Correct? You agree so far? Alright? Now, so from here itself, I can see, right? I can actually find 2 units. How do I actually find 2 units? Very simple. 428 minus away 68 minus away 68. So we do 428 minus away 68 minus away 68. Okay? So that will give me can you understand? That will give me 292. You all agree so far?
Yeah.
Alright, now, once I'm done with 2 units, I always have to find my Mr. Greenman. Agree or disagree? Alright, so 292 divided by 2, that gives me 146. Okay, once Mr. Greenman is out, so remember, this is my Mr. Greenman. Okay, once Mr. Greenman is out, we read the question. The question says, how many stamps did Aaron have at first? Who is Aaron? Aaron is this one, right? So Aaron will simply just be 1 unit, which is 146, plus 68, plus 68. Okay, so 146 plus 68 plus 68, that's fine. 146 plus 68 plus 68, that gives me 282, and 282 is my answer for this question.